Hey, so I have a beautiful finger-picking song for you, and the song is called Everlasting Love, and it's played by Shlomo Katz. Alright, so to start off the song, we're going to start off with the A minor shape. And now what you're going to do is you're going to start off on the 5th string over here, and then you're going to go 2 down with your pointer finger, and then back to that string in the middle with your thumb. This is the style that I use. If you find something that might be more comfortable for you, then you could go for that. So this is how it's going to start. Alright, so now the next part is a bit interesting. So what's going to happen is you're going to play the 2nd string on the bottom here, and then you're going to hammer on and hammer off, and then you're going to play the string on top. And now the next thing you're going to do is play up from the strings on the bottom over here, like this. Again. So the specific finger style that I use is I'm using my middle finger, but you don't technically need to do it like that. So now where he's playing it live, he actually does something interesting the 2nd time around, and he does this. So he adds his pinky to the bottom string over here on the 3rd fret and takes off the pointer finger from the 1st fret. And they do the same pattern there. So here it is all together.